How to download Zoom app in laptop. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Zoom download. Now, tap on the very first link you see there and in the interface that you will then be led to. Scroll through and navigate to the download option that suits your model the best. For me, I will download Zoom Workplace for Mac. So if you are downloading for Mac too, then tap on the download for Apple Silicon, or if you have Intel Mac, then tap on the download Intel option. Once you tap on this, the installation process will begin, so wait for the download to complete, and once completed, launch the file that you just downloaded. Now you will see a confirmation pop-up appear on the screen, so tap on the continue button you see there and then tap on continue again and finally tap on the install button. And with this, as you can see, the installation process has been completed and I have successfully installed Zoom on my Mac. So this is how you can download Zoom in laptop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.